When it comes to managing your email communications, there are various options available. One popular choice is using a self-hosted email platform. In this tutorial, we will explore the benefits of self-hosted email platforms and how they can enhance your email communication experience. 1. Enhanced control and privacy. One of the key benefits of using a self-hosted email platform is having complete control over your email infrastructure. By hosting your own email server, you have the power to customize and configure it to meet your specific needs. This level of control allows you to implement robust security measures, ensuring the privacy and protection of your sensitive data. 2. Cost savings. While it may require an initial investment to set up and maintain a self-hosted email platform, it can result in significant cost savings over time. Unlike relying on third-party email service providers, self-hosting eliminates ongoing subscription fees. This is especially beneficial for businesses or individuals with large email volumes, as the expenses associated with high-volume email services can often be substantial. 3. Scalability. Self-hosted email platforms offer scalability, meaning you can easily increase or decrease resources as needed. This flexibility allows you to accommodate growing needs without having to switch email providers or endure any disruptions to your email services. You can effectively scale your email infrastructure to align with your evolving requirements. 4. Customization. Self-hosted email platforms provide the freedom to customize the email experience according to your preferences and branding. You can tailor various aspects such as the user interface, email templates, and even implement personalized features. This level of customization can help create a unique and tailored email experience for your users. 5. Reliability and uptime. With a self-hosted email platform, you have the ability to control the uptime and reliability of your email services. This means that you can implement redundancy measures, backups, and failover systems to ensure uninterrupted email access. By eliminating reliance on third-party providers, you can proactively address any potential downtime issues and minimize disruptions to your email services. 6. Increased deliverability. Another significant advantage of self-hosted email platforms is the potential for increased deliverability rates. When using third-party email service providers, you are sharing IP addresses and reputations with other users. This can sometimes result in lower deliverability rates due to factors beyond your control. With self-hosting, you have the opportunity to establish and maintain a reputable sending IP address, which can positively impact your email deliverability. 7. Compliance and data protection. By hosting your own email server, you have full control over your data and can ensure compliance with relevant regulations, such as the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR. You can implement data encryption, access controls, and data retention policies to protect sensitive information. This level of control helps you maintain data privacy and meet any legal or industry-specific requirements. Conclusion. Self-hosted email platforms offer numerous benefits, including enhanced control, cost savings, scalability, customization, reliability, increased deliverability, and improved compliance. While it requires initial setup and ongoing maintenance, the advantages make self-hosting a compelling option for individuals and businesses looking for full control over their email infrastructure. By considering these benefits, you can make an informed decision about whether self-hosted email platforms are the right choice for your email communication needs.